Hello, peoples. I'm Oman. Today I will show you an interview with Elvis Presley.
Hello to everybody.
Hello. Okay, I'm gonna ask you a few questions.
Okay.
When and where you was born?
I was born in Mississippi, United States in 1935.
What are your parents' name?
My parents' names are Veron and Gladys Presley.
How did you become a rock star?
In 1954, I began my singing career with the legendary Sun Records.
How much movies did you act?
I acted in 31 movies.
How did you die?
I died in August 16, 1977.
Okay. How much money you earned in all your life?
I earned about $50 million.
Wow, that's a lot. אוקיי, תודה שצפיתם.
תודה רבה לכולם.
אוקיי, ביי.
קבלו עוגיות.
ועכשיו תסתכלו על המסך, עוגיות.
עוגיות.
עומר,
להתראות.
דרור ועומרי בעם.
וואו.
להתראות.
להתראות.
מקווה שנהנתם.
קריפ.